Hello friends, welcome to the Mental Gym Chess Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at another 5 basic checkmates. So this is a part 2 video. Let's start. So this is the position in front of you and it is white to play. If you want, you can pause the video and find the mate. Here white plays the move rook h7 and black is checkmated. Our knight on f6 is supporting the h7 rook, and as you can see, black king has no squares to run. So this mate is called as Arabian mate. This is also a very famous mate. Let's look at another example of this. So this position is also white to play. You can pause the video to find the move. Here white plays the good move, sacrificing his rook into h6. This is checking black king, and black king has no squares to run, but he can capture our rook. But when he captures, the g file is opened and we can play rook g8 and checkmate black king. So again, with the help of our knight, we checkmate the black's king, the typical mating pattern. So this is his Arabian mate. Let's move on to the next checkmate. It is white to play. You can pause the video to find the move. Here white plays the move rook d8 and black is checkmated. Because rook is protected by bishop and black king has no squares to run. e7, f7 are all blocked. This is checkmate. The name of the checkmate is opera mate. Let's see one more example of this. White to play. This is little tough. You can pause the video and find the move. Now here directly the opera mate is not available, so we have to create it. We do have the requirements bishop and rook. Here in this position white plays the move queen c8. This is a queen sacrifice. When black takes the queen, the king, bishop and rook comes in one line and white plays the move bishop e6. It is a double check. In double check, only one option is possible, that is to move your king. When king moves, we again apply the same thing, similar pattern, opera mate. Let's go to the next mate. So here we are, white to play. It's very easy. Here white plays a simple move queen c6 and this is already a checkmate. Queen is controlling everything and rook and pawn are obstructing black's king. So this mate is called dovetail mate. Let's look at another example of this. White to play. It's very easy. Same pattern, queen f6 and checkmate. Okay, moving on to the next pattern. This position is also white to play. You can find the move. The bishop is controlling the whole diagonal and we just need to give black king one check and we give it from e7 check and it's mate. So this is called as suffocation mate. Here in this position, directly knight e7, if you give check, black queen can take that knight and then materially black is up. So first we play rook g3 check and the king is almost mated, but black queen can take the rook. We do not capture the queen, no need, we can give him directly checkmate. And same thing, suffocation mate appeared. Moving on to the next example. The last checkmate pattern. Here white plays the move rook e7 and this is checkmate. The knight is covering both these two squares and bishop is supporting our rook. So king has no squares to run. This mate is called Vukovic mate. Let's look at another example. This is also white to play. You can pause the video and try to find mate in 2. Here white plays the move knight f6 check first, forcing the king to move to h6, and now we know the pattern, rook g6 checkmate. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.